Hi, I'm Parnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have the recipe for you for a no-bake chocolate cookie. They've come out absolutely yummilicious, no oven needed and no microwave. So let me show you what it looks like. Here it is. Can you imagine? A no-bake cookie. I'll break one open to show you what it looks like inside. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking. So we begin with half a cup of butter on the stove top and half a cup of a sweetener. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give this all a good mix on your stove top and let it come to a boil. Let it become this nice frothy mixture and carry on mixing. The froth will settle. Into this we are putting in 1 cup of almond flour. Carry on mixing. It'll come into like a sloppy dough. 1 tablespoon of gelatin powder. This is the magic ingredient. 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. In that goes. And now I'm going to be putting in half a teaspoon of salt and half a cup of chocolate chip. I've used stevia sweetened chocolate chips. Now, as you can see, it's a crumbly mixture, and I did try making this into a cookie, which it did come into one of the cookies, but then it was too crumbly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this mixture back on the stove top or in the microwave for another minute, and this is what it comes out. The chocolate chips melt and it binds the cookie, and you get these amazing chocolate cookies. Now I'm going to be adding a few chocolate chips on top, and in that goes onto each one of them, and they're ready to go into the refrigerator for about 2 hours. And there you have the most yummilicious no-bake chocolate cookies. Thanks for